Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making a cucumber tomato salad. This salad is super easy to make and the flavor adds a nice sharp zip to most meals. Let's take a look what we need to make it, alright? To make the cucumber tomato salad, you're going to need 1 long English cucumber, 2 Roma tomatoes, 1 tablespoon, that's 15 milliliters of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon, that's 15 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. There's obviously a lot of room for interpretation in this recipe. As I've said in previous videos, I'm not much of a tomato person, but I like them in this salad. If you like tomatoes, you can change the ratios and use more tomato, less cucumber, whatever works for you. Start by cutting the ends off of your cucumber and peeling the skin off of your cucumber. You don't have to peel the skin off the cucumber, but I prefer to do that. The skin has a particularly bitter flavor which I feel doesn't go well in the salad. Cut the cucumber into 4 lengthwise. And chop each quarter. Remove the cores from each end of your Roma tomatoes. Cut each tomato into 4 lengthwise. And chop. Add your tablespoon of white vinegar. Add your tablespoon of olive oil. Add salt and pepper. And mix it up. And that's it. It's ready to serve. Today I'm serving my cucumber tomato salad with a pan-fried ribeye with mushroom marsala cream sauce and butter glazed carrots. And there you have it! It is that easy to make a salad that is really, really delicious. I love it. I hope you do as well. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy from my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.